Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn how to get Python installed on macOS X. So let's get started. In order to use Python, you have to install two things. Number one, Python package. Number two, PyCharm IDE. So let's get started. I will open Safari internet browser. Then I will go to python.org, which is the official website of Python. Once the page is loaded, I will select Downloads. Then I will select Mac OS X. Now I will scroll down to find the version that I want to use. In this course, I want to use Python 3.6. And that's it. I will select macOS 64-bit, 32-bit installer. I will download this file. Once it's downloaded, you will find it in the downloaded files folder. I already have one, so I will open it. Now I will select continue, continue again, software license agreement if you want to read, then continue, and here I will select agree and install. Here the OS asks me about my password to install this, so I will enter my user password. And now the installer completed successfully, so I will select close. After that, it asks me if I want to remove the installer file to the trash. It's up to you, you can keep or move to trash. Now to make sure that we install Python 3.6 correctly, I will open applications. Now within applications, I will look for Python, and as you see here, I find Python 3.6. Also, to double check that Python is available, I will go to the terminal now. Once I open the terminal, I will say Python -- version. And this shows me the current version of Python, it's 2.7, but I already installed 3.6. Don't worry, this is by default installed in macOS. So if you want to see your own version of Python that you already installed right now, just say Python 3 -- version. And as you see now, it's a 3.6.8. Now let's install PyCharm. I will go to Safari again. I will enter JetBrains PyCharm. So JetBrains is the company that developed PyCharm. Once it's loaded, I will select download. As you see, by default, Mac is selected, and you can see that I have two versions, professional and community. So I will download community one, which is free. You don't have to pay anything to use. Once it's downloaded, I will open the downloaded file. And now it starts installing. The first thing is verifying. That's it. Now the OS asks me to drag all the files related to PyCharm into application folder. So I will do that. So just drag and drop inside applications. Now it's ready. Let me open PyCharm. I will select yes, open. Here it asks me to accept the privacy policy. So I will accept it and continue. Here it asks me if I want to share some data about the performance. So I will choose don't send anything. And now PyCharm starts to loading. When you open it for the first time, PyCharm asks you about some settings. So you can choose a new setting, which means for the first time, or you can select your own settings if you used PyCharm before. In this case, I will say I have never used PyCharm. Then next, UI themes. Now you have to select the theme that you want to use, whether you want dark theme or light theme, it's up to you. So I will select light, for example, and I will say next. Here I will select the option create a script for opening files and projects from the command line, then next. Here it's up to you if you want to add some plugins to your environment. Now I don't want to add anything, so I will select start using PyCharm. For the first time, it will ask me about my password, so I will enter my user password. Okay, and that's it. We are ready. Thank you very much for your time, and if you are available, join me in the next lecture. you.